Hello, my name is Charlie Evans. I work as a software developer on the Call for Code team at IBM. Today, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the IBM Cloud interface. To get started, first you will log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can click Create an Account here and follow the instructions for setting up a new account. When you first log in, you will be taken to this dashboard page. Here, you can get a summary overview of all the relevant information for your account. You can create new dashboards from templates, or you can even start with a blank slate and build your own. There are some available widgets that you can use to place on the dashboard to provide whatever information it is you're looking for. To do this, you can select your dashboard from this drop-down here. You can click Edit Dashboard, and a settings panel will pop out on the right. You can then take one of these panels and drag and drop it into place. For example, I just grabbed Classic Infrastructure here and placed it here. You can move these around to any empty space that is available. When you're done placing your widgets, you can close this and click Save Dashboard. Please note that there are some widgets that allow you to make further edits to them. For example, this Notes widget here has its own edit button that I can edit and then add text or delete or whatever. Next, let's take a look at the navigation menu. You can access the navigation menu by clicking this hamburger icon on the top left to expand. You will notice that there are several services that you can get to directly from this interface. For example, if I wanted to look at my Kubernetes clusters, I could come down here and click on Kubernetes, and it will take me to the Kubernetes page. One of the important items in this list is the resource list. When you navigate here, this will have a list of all the products that you've deployed in your account, and they are categorized by these categories here. You can apply different filtering options at the top of this list here by name, resource group, region, product type, its status, and any custom tags that you have applied. So for example, if I wanted to search for the Cloudant product, I can type Cloudant in here and it will filter the list to all the deployed items that I have that fit that product. Now let's take a look at the search bar at the top of the screen here. When you search here, it will search for both products and deployed resources in your account. So if I search for Cloudant here, I will get two results. The first will be resource results, which will be any resources that I have. And then the second will be catalog results, which will show me the service in the catalog. From here, if you click on a resource result, it will take you directly to that resources management page. And if you type on a catalog result, it will take you instead to create a new resource of that type in the catalog. Now finally, let's have a look at the catalog itself. You can access the catalog by clicking this catalog button here. This will give you access to all of the products available in the IBM Cloud catalog. You can see there are 337 products. On the left here, there are quite a few filtering options available to you. So you can filter by containers or storage, databases, etc. When you click on one of these, it will apply a filter that gives you just those products. Another filter that is important to note is this pricing plan filter. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll notice that there are some services that provide Lite and or free tiers, and you can filter for those here. So if I want to look for services that have a Lite tier offering, I can click that, and we can see that there are 42 products in the catalog that offer that. The same goes with the free tier. Something to note is that some of these free and Lite tier services may only be available in certain regions. For example, the DB2 relational database service does offer a Lite tier, but only in the Dallas and London regions. So for example, you can see here, it popped up with Sydney. Sydney does not have a Lite tier in the pricing plan. But if I change to London, I get a Lite plan offering. Also note that there are some services that offer a free tier, but may require a pay-as-you-go account with a credit card in order to make use of that service. An example service is called Code Engine. So if I search for Code Engine here, you'll see that under the pricing plan that there is a free tier that is available that has these restrictions on it. However, my account is not a pay-as-you-go account. So if I try to start creating an application here, when I click create, I'm going to get an error pop-up message. It says projects cannot be created with your current account type. Upgrade your account to get started. So you may see a message like this if you're trying to use a service that does have a free tier, but requires a paid account to make use of. When you are finished with IBM Cloud, you can click the person icon on the top right and select Log Out. That was a quick tour of the IBM Cloud interface. There are many more things that you can do, but today we covered the dashboard and available customization options, how to make use of the navigation menu, opening the resource list to view and filter your resources, how to make use of the search function at the top of the page, and navigating the catalog. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out on Slack. Thank you very much.